So today is 4th of November and I have not taken any trade today, but I have just the C that I was holding, I have kept on to it. And the reason was Nifty was traveling in this channel and it touched the bottom of this channel here. So, and it also formed a wedge kind of thing here. So, I was expecting a breakout on either side, but it gave a breakout on the upper side, and which was a false breakout, and then is coming downwards here. So, this is the current situation here, and this was my stop loss for this particular trade. But now I think I'll exit once it goes below. I'll keep this as my stop loss, 999. So once it goes below, it closes below 18,000, I'll exit. Otherwise, I can keep it for Monday, because if it enters in this parallel channel today, if it gives its closing inside the parallel channel today, then I'll keep it for Monday. Otherwise, I'll exit. And I'm having a big loss today of almost 1,000 to 1,200 rupees, because it's out of the money premium and the premiums are decaying very fast. So, and actually my setup today was, if Nifty would have opened, if Nifty went above this point, 18,105, above this high, 18,105, then I would go with this C only, and I would book around 200, 250. I would sit till 200 or 250. But I was a little bit upset that market didn't open gap up, but then it was like, okay, I made profits of 900 rupees, 600 rupees, 2000 rupees. So yeah, it's okay to take a loss of 1000 rupees also, 1000, 1500, because it's part of the game, and it's I have to remind myself that I will not die because of this loss. My life is not going to end. So, trying to keep my cool and uh, just focusing on how to think in a particular situation, how to change my thinking, how to act on not on my emotions, but on just plain chart patterns, and not on how I feel, what I feel. I should have exited here only, because here it kind of made a double top pattern, but I didn't. So that was a mistake, and this happened because lack of seriousness, I think. So this was the best place for me to exit this trade on the double top pattern. So yeah, I can exit now also. It is not something to worry about. But today I was more focused on another trade. I've been planning to see what other things I can do, or see what suits me in finding my niche or finding my true self in trading. I took a position in a equity long intraday position. I bought this. Let me show. This is the share that I bought, and I bought it at 163.75 at this range. In this candle, I bought this share, and my target is 165, but it is coming down, and my stop loss is 160. So it is now consolidating in this range, and once it gives a breakout on the upper side, I'll book my profit, or if it comes down, I'll take my loss. So either way, so I was more focused on finding the stock and entering at the where it will give a breakout. I was trying to do all those stuff. So that is the reason I focused less on Nifty, and I'll wait for today and see what happens tomorrow. If it gives a closing inside the channel again, then I'll sit with my trade. I'll carry it for Monday. Otherwise, I can exit today also. If it goes below 18,000, I'll exit today. So let's see what happens. And right now, I'm more focused on this because I'm in loss on this also, Reddington. But I'll just book profit at 64 or 65 if it gives a breakout. If it gives a breakout. So I was confused. I entered at this candle, green candle here, but here it seemed of somewhat building a double top. But still, I went long because it was in uptrend. So I entered here in this candle, and from then the market is consolidating in this range. So let's see what happens. So this is the situation now at 1 p.m. and the thing is that today no direction. There is no direction in the market, and the thing is the thing that I was discussing this about this wedge. So it gave breakout today in the morning. It gave breakout on the upper side, and then it came down, and now again it is consolidating here. I'm waiting for a rally. My stop loss is the same, and I'm at 900 rupees loss now because out of the money OTM puts, and I'm still thinking that should I carry this for Monday, because in case it comes around somewhere here, then it will again come enter the parallel channel, which I don't think is possible. And uh, if it closes, if it gives a closing below the parallel channel, then I'll not enter in a daily time frame. Then I'll exit and I'll not wait for Monday. So this is the daily time frame. It has now made a doji, and once it gets inside the channel, it gives a closing inside the channel, then only I'll carry uh, this 18,400 call. And about the equity, so this is the equity. I bought it at 163, and now it's at 158. So this also fell rapidly. So I'll exit. The mistake that I did was I didn't put any stop loss. I should have given a stop loss at 160 or something, but I didn't knew how to put stop loss there. So once it goes above 160, I'll exit. 3 rupees loss, so that will come to almost 30 rupees loss. I'll take that loss because I don't think it has any more time that it can recover. So the equity trade that I took was not a well thought out plan today, and the only reason that I did was I was just trying to learn how to buy and sell, because last time I sold equity, and today I try to buy one and do long. So I was just trying to learn, and now this thing is giving me a 50 rupees loss, though I have very less quantity, only 10, and I have time till 3:15. So I'll wait till 3:15 and see if it comes to 60, 61, 62. I'll exit. Uh, or if it comes to see wherever it comes, and I'll exit, because this this was the opening for today, and this was yesterday, so it has came to almost its opening price. So this is what I'm watching now, and hopefully I'll exit, because I don't uh, even in a uptrend market, uh, this particular share is coming down, because this is the broader market, and it has made a W type of pattern, and it was going up from here, and it made a rally till here. So there is a reason I took a long position in this equity, and let's see what happens. I'll try to exit at 160 or something like that. If it crosses 160, it's good for me, because this is a consolidation zone, or accumulation zone, or redistribution zone. This is a zone. So once it goes above 160, then I can trace it back till here. So let's see, and uh, this here is again forming a wedge. So I'll just delete this line. So this is the wedge again Nifty is traveling into, and whichever direction it gives a breakout, it can rally either upwards or downwards. So this will be my stop loss. This line here, this red line, this will be my stop loss, and I'll exit once it comes below this stop loss, this line. So yeah, this is the reason I am holding it still with a loss of 900 rupees. So let's see. So this is the current situation, and this was my buying price, 18,041, and I was in a loss even here, even here. I was at a loss of it was showing me a loss of 1200, 1300 rupees, but then profit booking came, So my loss was reduced to 300 400 rupees, but I didn't exited it because it seems that today Nifty will close in a green candle. It will form a green candle on a day's chart, and it has entered this channel. So it came out of the channel, stayed for some time, and now again it has entered. But I have kept a limit price of 32 rupees. My stop loss I have given, or stop loss or target, whatever, I have given a 32 rupees sell order, and my buying price was 34 something, maybe 35. So I'll have like 200 rupees loss, 300 rupees loss. And this is the main thing that my learning for today. Main learning was for this equity. I bought it at 163.75 here on this particular candle here. I thought if it gives went above 140, then it will 164, then it will go towards here, but it didn't happen, and it came down. And since it's almost time, so 10 minutes back I exited my position at around in this candle at 158 something, 159, almost 159, and I booked a loss of 50 rupees. So the important learning for me today was, just like the research or the hard work or the homework that is required for Nifty is also required for equities as well. And stop loss is a must. Like, to gain 2 rupees in the index, I need to put 2 rupees or 1 rupee stop loss in the system, or if not in the system, then I should be able to exit. And today didn't happen because I didn't follow it. So this Reddington gave me a 50 rupees loss, and I was about to enter at Zeal also, but same thing, it consolidated. So that's it for Reddington and Zeal. And if I get back to Nifty, this is the Bank Nifty chart. Bank Nifty was dragging Nifty down, and Bank Nifty also consolidated here. So this is the reason that Nifty couldn't go up instead of giving a up move. And so now it's 134. Maybe my stop loss or limit price have been hit, I'm not sure. Let me just check. So whatever, it doesn't matter. If it gets hit, it's okay, and if it doesn't get hit also, then it's okay, because I'm planning to carry it for Monday. And there are a lot of call writers at 18,200. So in case Monday Nifty opens gap up, then only the call writers will exit. And the good sign that I noticed was my stop loss was at 17,999, so almost 18,000. But Nifty, for 3 days, Nifty respected 18,000. It didn't broke 18,000. So uh, this is the reason that I have kept it. And so that's it. I'll wait for Monday, and even if it opens flat, then it will go up. Otherwise, it will open down. Whatever happens, I'm not planning to take any PE. So let's see. Or it would be a good thing to take hedge a PE. So let me see.